Hey guys, all right, so it is a Friday fun day and I just thought I would do a bit of a makeup look. I saw a girl on a reel or a short or something and she did a eye look and she was like, if you don't know how to do eyeshadow, this is what you should do. And she used a brown pencil and a black liner and that was it. Now I was like, oh, I'm so gonna do that. But then I looked through my stuff and I'm like, I do not even own a single black eyeliner. Like not one. I used to. Where did it go? I don't know. I wasn't using it, so I got rid of it because I was like, I'm never going to use this. And here we are. So I thought that instead of doing that, since I don't have a black eyeliner, can we just do it with shadows? So I just thought, let's just do that. This is probably not going to be anything earth-shattering, but I just thought you guys might like to see. We'll try it. Here we go. Basically, it was just a dark brown and a black. So I don't know that it matters too much, like cool or warm, probably just what you like. So this is sort of, I would say a neutral, more on the cool side though, but it does have a little bit of red in it. So anyway, I'm using the Starlit Profusion Cosmetics Starlit palette, but obviously whatever you guys have will probably work. So basically it's get the shadow from the middle of your eye outwards towards your lash line because it was a liner that she used. And then kind of once you have it there, now the only thing I did different, as a preface, the only thing I did different from what she did was I actually did put a little bit of bronzer in my crease because it was going on the rest of my face and I always do that. So there is a little bit of bronzer in my crease. That's an aside, okay? So once you got it there, then you're going to really buff that out. And since it was a liner, like it was meant to like put a line there and then blend it so that it's like eyeshadow, but really bring it out. And if you wanted to wing it a little bit, she did. So there's that. I'm gonna put a tiny bit more. I think she even like used her finger and not a brush at all. It might be a little bit too winged out, but I don't care. I like it like that. Going to just blend this edge right there so that there's not like this obvious line. There might still be, I don't care. All right, so now, and then it was put the black liner. I'm gonna go ahead and use a liner brush, but it wasn't about a liner. It was just about getting the product on and then blending it out. Okay, and what I'm also gonna do is take that same brush that I put the crease color on, and I'm just gonna blend it even a little bit more. Now, something that us more mature ladies have to worry about is when we're closing our eye to sort of blend it, just be aware that you're gonna create a lot of creases in your eye when you do that. So it might even be best to have a small mirror, look down into it so that the skin is not bunched up. And certainly check it when you're done so that you don't have all these bunched up creases. Then she went ahead and put a little bit of a concealer on to clean up the edge. I wouldn't normally do that, and in fact, I'm not going to use a concealer. I am going to use this powder foundation. This is the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. It's a little bit on the yellow side, but I don't think it'll matter. I'm just going to take a little bit on this sort of flatter eyeshadow brush or brush, and I'm just going to, if you want to kind of clean it up, but you don't maybe want to put that cream over the top of your foundation if you're already powdered, which I was already powdered. Okay, and then lashes. Okay, I was just doing the other eye and I forgot she actually put some on the underneath, like underneath her lashes as well a little bit. So let's do that. I'm not usually one to do this, so that's why it always slips my mind. All right, the black may have been a little bit too much, but let's just blend it and see what happens. Okay, so we got the lashes on. I feel like this makes my eyes look a little bit irritated. I think the lower lash is just a bit much for me. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I think once we got to doing the lower lash, it was just push it over the edge of it's too much. But again, you guys let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to know. That's all I've got for you guys today. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.